How to use DoorDash promo codes. First of all, launch the DoorDash application on your device. Proceed to build your cart by simply opening any of your favorite restaurants or stores. Then, once you have added all these menu items to your cart, all you have to do is head to or proceed to the checkout option. Or simply tap on this cart icon on the top right corner. Then select your specific cart by tapping on that view cart option. Tap continue. From here, if you have not signed into your account, all you have to do is sign into your account from here. Then right under the checkout option, you should be able to find the promo section. Simply tap on the promo code or apply promo code option or even gift card. Once you tap the field, type or paste your code exactly as it appears and make sure there are no accidental spaces. Then tap apply. Look at your price summary breakdown at the bottom to ensure the discount was deducted from your total before. And that is how you can use this feature, guys. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.